fastest way to earn $500 online with PayPal in 2022. Welcome to my technical solution where we bring online money making tips and tricks. All you would be needing is a laptop and internet and the motivation to work. I'll try to cover the motivation part, but I'm not sure how lazy you are and it depends on leaving your comfort zone. The method and ideas that we share are guaranteed and up to date and pass through a filtered process so that you can earn money anytime without being scammed. Today's video is going to be interesting, so do subscribe to my technical solution and press the bell icon, as I'm sure nobody would like to miss the latest money making methods. Comment below from where you are watching this video so we may know the new faces that have joined us. This is going to be a quick video, so pay attention as I won't be taking much time. Now, first of all, I'm going to be revealing the most popular, trusted and scam-free website and their business models to earn $500 or even more PayPal money. These methods will be requiring some of your time and skills. Once you start earning, I'm going to show you how to automate your work and income. Don't skip the video, watch till the end if you really want to put your hustle on autopilot and enjoy life with work automation. Number 1. Upwork. With my years of experience on this platform, I would say Upwork is the father figure platform in the freelancing world. Only in 2020, Upwork earned revenue of $373.63 million. You can set your hourly rates here, and the biggest and highest paying projects are posted here by clients. I know companies whose whole business comes from Upwork and they are growing every other day. Upwork profile approval is not easy to do as this is a certified platform and freelancers here have to pass through tests to get approval. Now here on Upwork, you can make two types of profiles, a simple freelancer profile and the other one is an agency profile that comes with added features. You have to bid by submitting your proposal on projects of your category. I will advise you guys to keep your bids short and provide a solution to the client's problem. Now you have to have some skills like SEO, video editing or web development to grow big and sooner on Upwork. If you have won a project and don't have any skills, here I will share my experience with you. There are other platforms like Fiverr and freelancing.com where you can get skilled professionals at low prices as compared to Upwork. Here you would be needing only communication skills. You can even hire a remote team that will take the burden off you, and this is how you can shift your Upwork online business on autopilot. Upwork charges a 20% fee for up to $500 earning and a 10% fee applied to earning from $500 to $10,000. Rest of the earning goes to your PayPal account. Number 2. TopTill. This is another global and online remote freelancing platform that pays you PayPal money. This platform is just like Upwork but more exclusive and has higher pay rates. You have to be at top of your skill games to join TopTill. Getting hired at TopTill is not easy as freelancers must have to pass a series of different exams including a test project, skill reviews, and live screening tests. Although this is a far more thorough vetting process as compared to Upwork or Fiverr, which is open online marketplace where any freelancer can join by making a profile. Every freelancer wants to join this platform, but only 3% of top freelancers can join TopTill. The minimum hourly wage here is $60 and up to $250 per hour. You can start working with clients as soon as the work agreement is signed. This platform is currently generating $200+ million in revenue, big enough to provide work for your whole company. And the best thing about these freelancing platforms can entertain your idea to remote work, the work from your comfort zone. Yet again, you can hire a skilled team and put your whole work on autopilot. Number 3. Udemy. Most of you guys have probably seen this site before. Udemy sells courses published by experts. You can learn anything about graphic designing to artificial intelligence. Tons of courses are here published, and not only this, you can get a certificate from Udemy on completion of courses. Now the question is, how will you earn money from Udemy? I have got two methods for you. Become an instructor and you can publish your courses here. The more it sells, the more payout in your PayPal account. Or you can download free courses from here and can resell them on other platforms. For example, If you go to the designer section and download a free course, you can sell this course on another website named Design Crowd. There are tons of free courses. You might be thinking why I went to web design. We all know that every other physical business is trying to get some online, so right now web design is the most lucrative and in-demand skill. Udemy pay out directly in your PayPal account, so no need to worry about your rewards. Now, these online business models that we just discussed aren't going to get you rich within a week or month. Remember, shortcut ways earn you short-term success that doesn't stay longer. Maybe you are successful in making a few $1,000s, but the key is passive income and business automation. Well, I'm making it. One of my online businesses is paying me about $10,000 in my PayPal a month, and that is totally on autopilot. I have hired a team and a manager, and I usually spend a few hours a week on this business, and it's generating me multiple six-figure every year. This is the power of passive income on autopilot. And guys, this is just one success. Now imagine that you can do with this money. This PayPal money allows me to travel. I can take my family on vacation anytime, and all of my hobbies are going in the right place. You too can make it. Not just these, I have already posted additional and proven ways to make money online on my channel. You guys can check them. And I'm always here to help you guys. Any questions pops in your mind, wanna discuss any business ideas, just comment below. The best thing is, lot of experts are watching this video, so you're gonna get free support from other experts as well. It's all a win when we get along as a team. Keep supporting, keep sharing. This was all for today. See you in another video. Thanks for watching.